Welcome back. Now, in order to begin collaborating with individuals in teams, you're going to want to begin forming your team. And so what you're going to do is you're going to go to your Teams tab. What you're then going to do is you're going to click this Invite People. What you're first going to want to do is you're going to want to create a specific team. Perhaps you'll be creating this team for a specific purpose. To do that, you're going to go to this link within Teams, and you're then going to click Create Team. You can build this new team from scratch, or you can create one from an existing Microsoft Office 365 group. We're going to, for the sake of this video, build a new team from scratch. Now, this is an important aspect of the process. We can make it so that the team is going to be private. That means then that people will need permission in order to join the team. We can make the team public so that anyone within our organization or who is connected to us can then join the team without having permission. And then we can make it so that anyone who is part of our organization will automatically be part of our team. Now, what we're going to do in this video is we're going to create a private team. We're then going to give the team a name. Once we have a team name and description, we can then click Create. Now, once we do that, Microsoft will then begin to ask us to add individuals to the actual group. What you can do at this point is you can click Skip. That's going to bring you into the page. What you can then do is click this button that says Invite People. What you can do then is you can invite specific contacts to your team. Or you can copy the link and give that to individuals. Or you can send a specific invite by email. What we're going to do right now is we're going to click Copy Link. Now that link is copied to the clipboard. And so what we're going to do is we're going to distribute that link to the individuals that we want to become part of our team. When that individual puts that link into their browser, they're going to see a dialog that looks like this. What they're then going to do is they're going to write in their name and email address in order to become part of our team on Microsoft Teams. What they're then going to do is send a request. Now, that individual can download the application to their hard drive, or they can go to their email box in order to join the online account. Now, once that individual sends their request, you'll then need to approve their request. That's when they're going to get the email in their box. And once the individual has accepted your invitation, they'll then be part of your team. They'll then have the interface available to them here in this area. You then want to see that team member. You'll go to your Teams area. You'll then go to this gear that says Manage Team. You'll then see yourself as the owner. And then you'll see another individual as the member, and that'll be the individual that you have added to your team. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.